Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another USO tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your own bitmap and start playing it or share it with your friend. And basically the bitmap, what looks like, you can get something looks like that or even better. It depends on your imagination and how much time you will spend on your bitmap. So how can you do it? First of all, make sure that you open any browser or any type of browser and then type YouTube or stuff like that, and let's download music from it. So let's check, let's see any video. For example, let's write Carol of the Bells. Let's download anyone from these. For example, let's go for this one. Okay, so now after you do so, please go and write mp3 YouTube in here and then do this, okay, and download the music. After doing so, open also and then click on the circle from here and click on edit, and again go back to the to your download and drag it to also and put it in here. After you did not submitted, okay, let's just click on here and wait, something like that will work for us. I think now it must work. If not, okay, there is something wrong with this file because I'm using the VLC. I'm not having really the mp3 file in my PC. And oh wait, it worked. Okay, nice. It's opened in here, so let's click on it, and now you can add your name. For example, you can name your name artist and add a title which is Carol of the Bells, and just from here you can have your name in here. Difficulty, you can choose the difficulty, and here you can put the source and stuff like that. From here you can change anything about the difficulty, the HP, the circle size, the upward size, the overall difficulty. Here you can add the audio settings, colors, design, and advanced. After doing okay, we'll have here the BPM. We can put the BPM of your song in here, timing setup, and the offset. You can put the offset in here as well, the slider of velocity and slider take rate in here. And here you can check see everything about the music. You can hear from here started and put checkpoint, add checkpoint and stuff like that, so you can know where to put your circles or your sliders and stuff like that. And from here you can reset, and here you can do a lot of stuff. Well, anyway, so that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.